You want to create a digital 2024 tax receipts folder, okay? So you want to make a folder in your email now that it's the new year labeled your name here, Business Retreats 2024, or however, whatever naming convention you want, but that's my recommendation. And you want to get yourself accustomed to archiving your receipts anytime you buy a business item online into that folder, okay? You want a place where you can go year by year and open it up and all your digital receipts are in there, okay? So anytime you buy a plane ticket for a business conference, Dick Blick, Amazon, whatever it is, that's a business expense. The receipt, the digital receipt you get should go in there. Now, there's an analog version of this too that you want to do. If you are getting any digital receipts anymore, I know, you probably will have a few strays throughout the year. You also want to create a paper 2024 tax receipt folder, okay? So you want to make a physical folder. So again, that's like a hanging folder in a filing cabinet type of thing for keeping your paper receipts.